Hello and welcome. This is Today in the News. First of the highlights. Court again affirms Adebutu as PDP governorship candidate in Ogun. YPP Akwa Ibom governorship candidate sentenced to 42 years imprisonment over corruption. Nigeria's AIDS-related deaths declined to 51,000. Buhari says governor's corruption fueling poor rural development. Justice Inyang Ekwo of the Federal High Court Abuja has affirmed the nomination of Honorable Oladipupo Adebutu as the lawful candidate of the People's Democratic Party in next year's governorship election in Ogun State. In affirming the nomination of Adebutu by his party, Justice Ekwo held that the plaintiff, Jimmy Lawal, failed to prove that the PDP breached its own laws in the selection of its candidate for the 11th March 2023 governorship poll. According to the judge, Lawal failed to provide reliable and credible evidence to support his case of electoral malpractice. Justice Ekwo accordingly dismissed the suit for being incompetent and lacking in merit. The Federal High Court sitting in Uyo, the Akwa Ibom State capital, on Thursday sentenced the governorship candidate of the Young Progressives Party in the state, Basi Akpan, to 42 years imprisonment for corruption. The presiding judge, Justice Agatha Okeke, convicted the YPP candidate on 6 charges bordering on money laundering, including graft. The YPP candidate has been taken to Ikotekpene Correctional Facility, where he is to serve the jail term. Akpan, who's the senator representing Akwa Ibom Northeast, was arraigned by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission on 24th June 2019 on 6 counts bordering on corruption over receipt of exotic vehicles estimated at over 204 million naira. Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Boss Mustafa, on Thursday said the AIDS-related deaths in the country have declined from 264,463 in 2015 to about 51,000 in 2022. Mr. Mustafa said this at an event in Abuja in commemoration of the World AIDS Day with the theme Equal Lives to End AIDS, Equal Access to Treatment and Prevention Services. The WAD is celebrated every 1st December annually to raise awareness and commemorate those who have passed on and celebrate victories such as increased access to treatment and prevention services. President Muhammadu Buhari on Thursday said that the stunted development experienced at the local government level is occasioned by governors and local government officials who pocket public funds. The president flayed state governors over what he described as their unfair treatment of his regime at the grassroots. He said this at a parley with members of the Senior Executive Course Number 44, 2022 of the National Institute for Policy and Strategic Studies, Kuru, held at the State House Banquet Hall, Abuja. President Buhari cited a personal experience involving a governor he did not name, misappropriating funds meant for local government council development, thereby inhibiting development at the grassroots.